Okay, so here I have a 86 Porsche 911. I have been working on it for a few days, and here is the progress. So I removed the headlights to attach the wiring, and I did the adapter. I had to make an adapter for the headlights. These are H4. So right here, so I'm gonna tape everything. So these are gonna be the H4s, and the I connected and changed the lenses on the turn signal, and the I put the orange bulb. So that is all working right now on both sides. What else? Here on interior, the door panel is put together. It's all working like it should. So here we have the radio and the dash put together. I fixed the lights on the climate unit, and I put together the glove box. It's all there, and the carpet. I'm missing the original carpet, so I'm gonna get the brown one. So the seats and everything's working. Here's the back. We are waiting now for the glass to be installed. So here is the glass and the bar that also needs to be installed, and then I have to attach the molding, and then this rubber one too. So this has to be still attached. You have the speakers all working. There's a hole, but I'm gonna get the small tweeters maybe to, so we can cover this. The power windows are working. The mirrors are working. We go in the back. The tail light, which is also working right now. I had to attach the harness, taillight harness, and also had to attach wiring for the oil tank, which is right there. That is also working. So we have the center reflector installed. And right here I had to replace the glass on this mirror that was cracked. That is working now. So the lights are working. Everything. When I turn on, I think the battery is disconnected. Yeah. But all I don't know is this one. There's one extra bulb with like a kind of large housing. I don't know where this one goes, because the climate is working, the radio, everything there is fine. I was originally thinking this is for the ashtray, but there's no space to attach it, Okay, so we have everything here's good, and then all I have to find one more screw for the gas door, and then so I have to attach this one under the hood. What we have under the hood, I still have to attach that plastic cover, and I replaced the fuse that was blown. One fuse was blown, so it is replaced, and it was from the buzzer on the key. So when I attach the battery, gonna try it. So gonna turn on the ignition. Yeah, we have the radio. That is working. What amazes me, everything's working. Really, there's nothing that doesn't work. So it's over 30 years old, and everything is functioning. So yeah, so here's the update on 86 911, and there's still a few things I have to do. I removed the front bumper, which will be painted, and then I have to attach the lights, and I have to remove this hose because there's no washers on a new bumper. I have to attach the headlights and do some work on the suspension. I have to do alignment, and it should be okay. So